Have you ever pondered over the intricate differences between global and local thresholding? Today, we delve into this fascinating topic. Imagine a world painted in shades of grey. Now imagine a magical tool that can separate these shades into distinct groups or thresholds. That's what we call thresholding in image processing. But not all thresholding is created equal. There are two main types, global and local. Global thresholding, as the name suggests, is like a one-size-fits-all hat. It takes a single universal grey-level value and uses it as the threshold for the entire image. Every pixel in the image is evaluated against this constant value. If a pixel's intensity is higher than the threshold, it's transformed into a white pixel. Conversely, if it's lower, it becomes a black pixel. This method is straightforward and efficient, yet it can stumble when the image has varying light conditions. Now, let's shift gears and talk about local thresholding. Picture a tailor measuring each person individually to ensure a perfect fit. That's what local thresholding does. Instead of using a single global threshold, it adapts to the local neighborhood of each pixel. The threshold varies across the image, accounting for changes in lighting and texture. This makes it more nuanced and flexible, allowing it to handle complex images with varying light conditions. However, it is more computationally intensive than its global counterpart. In summary, the key differences between global and local thresholding lie in their approach and flexibility. Global thresholding uses a single constant value for the entire image, making it simple and fast. But it might falter when dealing with varying light conditions. On the other hand, local thresholding adjusts the threshold for each pixel based on its neighborhood, making it more adaptable and accurate, but at the cost of computational efficiency. So next time you're working with image processing or just playing around with photo editing, remember these two distinct techniques. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between them depends on your specific needs and constraints. Happy thresholding!